Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dee and this is How Dee Does It. Today I am going to do some super easy Christmas nails using some stickers and a couple of other nail art items. I'm going to do this nail set using full cover nail tips. So these are like press-on style nails. I'm using medium almond from both Kiara Sky and then one from Young Nails, but this one is a color. It's a beige nude. What I am showing you now is this nail stand that I purchased from SHEIN. It's slimmer than the traditional ones, and you use these little stickers right here to put them on, and to me they're just better, especially if you're doing nails for a client with small nails like a 8, 9, 10. Here are the stickers that I'm going to be using. These are some peppermint swirl stickers. They have gingerbread men, snowmen on them. I thought they were super cute, and it's only a couple of colors, red, white, black, brown. So let's get into it. The first thing that I'm going to do is use this Born Pretty base gel, and I'm going to coat all of the nails except for the nude nail. On that one, I am going to use some sticky, which is kind of like some foil gel from Tino. And so I'm going to use that one on the brown nail. I did want to mention right now, Born Pretty does have a sale going on, a Christmas sale. And you can get 30% off if you use code XMAS, XMAS 30. And it's 30% off of $20. Born Pretty has some of the most amazing products for the low. All right, base gel is curing for 60 seconds. This sticky cured for 60 seconds. And now I am going in and I'm just applying this gingerbread man sticker to the nail, and then I am going to put him down. One thing about this sticky, it is good for like dried flowers. It's good for holding stickers down like this, but if they're like super 3D stickers, they kind of pop up. So if you're using a curved nail like this, it may not be the best medium to use to hold your stickers down, but definitely just this type of sticker like this. It's not 3D, it's not embossed. It is great for holding this down, and it will hold on to it even when you put your top or matte coat on it. So after I'm finished applying that sticker, what I'm going to do is take this semi-nude jelly from Born Pretty. It is number 14, and it's a pinkish nude color. I'm going to paint the pinky nail with this as well as the pointer finger. The bottom, I'm going to do an ombre with that finger. So I'm going to let a little bit of music play to give my voice a break. What you see me using now is this 01 Milky from Born Pretty, and I'm putting that on the middle finger and the pointer finger. Off camera, everything got a second coat, and now I'm going in on the pinky finger. I used this sticker. I did not realize it was going to be so short, but I'm going to make do with what I have because that's what we do. And I'm just going to apply this. Off camera also, I failed to show you that I did go in. Anytime I'm using a sticker on this nail set, I am using sticky and curing for 60 seconds and then applying the nail stickers. Now, one thing I do want to mention is when you do apply your nail stickers, you don't want them hanging off of the free edge or any place on the edges, so that your top coat is not going to cure. So if you put it on the edges, just be sure to go back in and buff around, buff that sticker off so that your top coat can adhere. All right, for the half ombre nail, I am going to take these peppermints and stick them on the bottom part of the ombre. And then I am going to use the Milky White to fill in the top part of the ombre. And I'm going to go over the peppermint, some of the peppermints that I have there. I'm going to put 2 coats on this and cure each layer for 60 seconds. All right, at this point, my brain is on fire and I have an idea of what I'm going to do to this nail. So I'm going to need to put base coat on it because I need for it to be sticky all over again for this next step. So I put base coat on here and then I cured it for 60 seconds. All right, so now I'm just going to take this 3D jelly by Tino Vo. It is the 3D white jelly. And I'm just going to go around the nail. And this worked perfectly to cover up where the nail came up short. I don't know. I was thinking it was going to be like snow on it, but it's giving frosting vibes here. So whatever you want to do, your imagination. I thought it looked cute and I thought it was a great plan B. So that's what I did, and I just did 1 layer of it, and I was just sure to go around the perimeter of the nail. Very good to fill in all of those spaces, and then I just kind of dragged it so that the edges would not look so smooth. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is the ring finger that has a milky white on it. I'm going to add this reindeer sticker on it, and I'm just going to give it that blush center. So that it's not just sitting on that milky white background and it'll have a little color pop to it. And I'm using this pressed pigment palette. I'm going to go on it. You don't see me do this because I'm doing it off camera, but I dab my ombre brush into it and then I tap off camera to get some of the powder off of it. And it wasn't going on there, and I realized, oh my gosh, I need to put a matte top coat on it. So I put this in here just as a reminder, when you do use the pigments, make sure that you are using a matte top coat so that your pigments will stick. It's not going to stick to a top coat or a slick surface. Alright, now that you can see I used the correct products, the pigment is staying on and adhering perfectly. Just in case I didn't mention it before, the matte top coat that I'm using is from Tino Vo. It is called Matted. And I don't think I mentioned, Not Polished right now has a sale going on. Use code Christmas35 at checkout for 35% off your order. And if you order $150 worth of product, including that 35% off, then you will get free shipping. So go crazy. All right, at this point, I did just want to do my quick announcement. We're about halfway through the video. If you're still tuned in, thank you so much for being here. You could have been anywhere else, but you decided to watch my video. If you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded. Bear with me while I'm in school. I just finished up my first semester in nursing school. It was a little bit of a challenge trying to work full-time, getting back in school, and just getting into the swing of things. So I appreciate you hanging out with me. Again, I just wanted to get a couple of Christmas sets in so I can put my time stamp on the 2024 season. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're feeling generous, leave a comment. It really helps the channel out. Alright, so I'm just doing a little bit of extra because sometimes I can be over the top. So I'm going and putting a couple of snowflakes on the gingerbread man sticker. And then I just wasn't happy with the ombre nail the way that it looked. And I wanted to add a couple of more peppermints on it. So I'm just filling in some of that negative space up at the top. And then I'm going to be done with those nails. The next thing that I'm going to do is, I don't know if you can see it or not, but this reindeer sticker has a couple of snowflakes on it already. So I'm just going to go in with some white polish, and I'm just going to add a couple of more snowdrops on this sticker. And then I am going to cure it for 60 seconds. After it comes out, I'm going to use a thick top coat. I think this is the Kiara Sky's number 4 in the jelly tip kit. And I'm going to go over it with that because I am going to use some rhinestones over the eyes and over the nose just to add a little touch of bling and be extra on this nail because I thought it was so cute. Now, I did not use a black rhinestone for the reindeer eyes because you can't really get a good shine off of a black rhinestone. So I used like a smoky gray rhinestone. I believe it's like a size 1, just so that you can see the sparkle in that beautiful reindeer's eyes. And then, of course, I'm just using a red rhinestone. These are so small. It doesn't matter if you top coat over them. They're still going to sparkle. Of course, with a larger stone, I would not, I would be very careful not to get top coat on the rhinestone. But stones this small, it's not going to lose its shine. So I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to come back and put the final touches on this nail for this snowman. He was so cute, and I'm not going to do too much to him. Again, he has some snow on him already, so after I put him on, I'm just going to add a couple of more drops of snow. And I did add or amp up the snow. You can see he's like on some snow already, so I did use the 3D jelly at the bottom just to go over it and amp that snow up at the bottom of the nail. And then I put him 2 little red rhinestone buttons on him, and he is so cute. I just wanted to come back really quick to wish you all happy holidays or Merry Christmas before I actually give the final show off of the nails. These turned out so cute, and they were so super easy at any step. Even if you just added the sticker themselves, these were so cute. They can be basic or you can step them up however you like. I think they turned out so cute, and I can't wait to wear these. Thanks for watching, you guys. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.